Do you lost your old messages and chats on Instagram? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to get old messages Instagram back step by step. So to know how it works, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to Instagram account. Then in this page, you will click on this sign up profile and you will enter. Then here in this window, you will have above these three lines, so you will click on them. After that, you have to click on Accounts Center, so you will enter to this page. Then here in this window, you have to click on this window of your information and permissions, Then what you have to do is to go to export your information. In this sign of export, you will click. Then here in this page, you will have export your information. You can export a copy of your information to an external service or export it to your device. Available information includes content and info you've shared, your activity and info we collect, and you will click here, create export. You can choose the account that you want to export the old messages, and then here you will find choose where to export. You will click here on export to device, so you will enter to this first option. After that, you will find this window here, so you will click here on customize information. Then here you will find they are all turn on, but if you want to getting back just messages, so you will click on clear all, and after that you will scrolling down until you find here messages, and you will choose just messages in this window. And if you want other informations, you can add them too. If you don't want them to come back, you can click here on clear all, as you see, in the same way. And after that, you click on save. Then you click start export. By the way, you can also choose these things here. You can manage them. For example, media quality. If you want to choose the media quality, the date range, to choose which period do you want exactly to return, like this, last 3 months, last year, last 3 years, or anything you want here. And then you can choose here notify to get notified on your email. And after that, here start export, and then you will add your password. And after that, here you will find your information is being prepared for export. Will let you know when it's ready. So when your messages are exported, they will send you a notification on your email to let you know that your information is downloaded and came back and returned to your Instagram account. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.